Hey there! Today I'm going to tell you some interesting facts, 30 to be precise, about grapes. So, without wasting your time, let's get right into it. Fact number 1. Grapes are a good source of vitamin C and K. Fact number 2. There are more than 80,000 varieties of grapes worldwide. Number 3. The world's largest grape-producing region is the European Union. Number 4. Grapes wine is one of the most popular drinks in the world. Number 5. Grapes are very similar to blueberries. Number 6. Throughout history, Christians have used wine as part of worship. Typically, wine represents the blood of Jesus. Number 7. The first signs of grape cultivation were 80,000 years ago in the Middle East. Wow, that's so old. Number 8. If you could drink white wine, they were made with green grapes. Number 9. Grapes are also a fantastic source of calcium. Did you know that? Number 10. It also has phosphorus, potassium, and many more. Number 11. Don't feed grapes to your dog. This fruit is incredibly toxic to dogs and can cause acute renal failure. Number 12. Grapeseed oil is rich in vitamin E, which can nourish your skin. Number 13. Researchers have shown that certain compounds in grapes can help fight cancer. Number 13. Over 72 million tons of grapes are grown each year worldwide, mostly to produce wine. And every year, 7.2 trillion gallons of wine are produced. Number 14. Vineyards cover about 25 million acres of land, and this land produces around 72 million tons of grapes each year. Number 15. Grapevines can live for more than 100 years. Number 16. The process of turning grape juice into wine is called fermentation. Number 17. The act of stomping on grapes with bare feet to extract juice is called foot treading. Number 18. The grape industry is a significant source of employment, providing jobs in farming, processing, and distribution. Number 19. The practice of wine tasting, known as oenology. Number 20. The process of drying grapes to make raisins was accidentally discovered when grapes were left out in the sun. Number 21. Seedless grapes are not truly seedless. They have tiny, undeveloped seeds that are not noticeable when eating. Number 22. The world's largest grape-producing country is China, and then Italy. Number 23. The cultivation of grapes is called viticulture. Number 24. Grapevines can grow in a variety of climates, from hot and dry to cool and humid. Number 25. The world's largest grape sculpture was created in 2014 in China. Number 26. In ancient Rome, grapes were often used as a form of currency. Number 27. The study of grape disease is known as ampelology. Number 28. A group of grapes is called a cluster or a bunch. Number 29. The practice of drying grapes to make raisins is called vinification. At last, number 30. The world's most expensive grapes are ruby Roman grapes from Japan, known for their large size and sweetness. So, if you loved this video, then like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming fantastic facts like this. Thank you for your love and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.